Hello. So, where's feed? Oh, say something. So that's cool machine. No. Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
Hi. that's cool machine. So no feed for bear. Have a good chill.
Bye. You can eat something
An ice cream. Everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. Australian Amphia.
And we're back.
We're back. So I'm Jen.
I'm Jasmine.
Yes. So thank you for the beautiful day. And today we're going somewhere.
It's McDonald's.
And this is Foxy, the annoying dog.
Yeah, the annoying dog. And Bet is the nice dog.
Yeah.
Bet's the nice dog.
Yeah.
He's just watching.
Yeah, and behave. Unlike Foxy.
And Foxy's not. He's just turning around. He's a turning around dog.
I know. Sorry, you can do whatever you want. Africa. A flying dog. A flying dog. Oh.
Sí, sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Chihuahua. Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que yo voy. Oh, tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firma las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Sube, sube. Quiero desvelar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo. Que le enseñes a...
Hello guys. Welcome.
My YouTube channel.
Channel. So where are we going today? We're going somewhere.
Going somewhere we don't know.
Hello guys. We're here.
But too scared. I don't want to go next to it.
It's alright. It won't hurt. 32, 33, 35. Oh. So we're gonna have a
Ini-press din ako.
oh sige. Ow. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna put our car in 32, 33, 32, 35, 36. So 36 is the correct. And then we're gonna put our car on air, cause parang
It's like our car is growing.
yes, I know. Look, the wheels. It's all good now.
It's all
Na
flat.
nagpa-hot in air, guys. Cause birthday, medyo flat ang ligid, no? Dili lang ang ilong, pati ang ligid sa sakyanan, guys. Medyo flat.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're back. So, let's go to our next destinations. Let's go, sorry. So guys, nami sa ukay-ukayan karon. Na ukay-ukay mi during the pita gid. So, yan, pili-pili lang. So,
I just made the.
Beli
I
na
just made
kayo.
this look.
oh, wow. Yes, where did you get that from?
There's this shop.
Oh, yay. So,
Do you
you're
wish to
happy?
have these ones?
Yes. You gonna share it?
I can share it with you.
Yeah, you just have for your eyes only, no? And we
Yes.
buy something. There's a lot of dress there.
Yes. If you know us, click the thumbs up.
For shopping.
And look what I
You
got.
got, yeah, what you got?
Do you wish to have these ones? But you just watching us in the TV.
Yes. How I wish we can share it with you.
Yeah, sorry, but I got it first.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah, maybe we'll see one.
Mm-hmm.
I'll share it with you.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Boo, boo, boo,
And then
boo,
we're
boo.
going later to...
To, I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, we're having picnic today. The side of the beach. So look what we got here. So the background there. So pabalik-balik na naman tayo dito. So look what we got in our table. Got some strawberry. We have mango floats. Finish eating. Hello guys!
Hello, guys.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
So today we're today so windy,
So windy.
so sunny, and it's beautiful. Yay! Oh my God! Ayang tawi. So Jasmine having a picnic here.
Yes, 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 yes.
So you finished to eat now. So we're gonna show you the beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Here we are again. So big wave. And the little girl is eating there, having a picnic. Just the area, guys, in Aladala. It's very beautiful.
I'll put it in your.
Jasmine will putting sticker on my head. What sticker did you put in?
This is super funny.
Super funny, ha ha ha.
I-
I'm gonna. Uy, you can see it. And guys, we have guitar here. See, you can see your super ghost die. Can't jump in art musan. Come on,
Oh,
let's go
oh,
sing.
oh! You got a lens right there. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Come on, you sing the song. So we're gonna do the guitar. Jasmine will teach me, and she gonna sing a song for you guys.
I'll turn it on.
Yes, please. We're gonna do a song.
Look at it.
I just want to say how much I care. Oh, no. Bahala na mo mga yabag ay sama sa mag...
We can be friendship together.
Oh, whatever we want. What song did you like?
It's so funny because
Why?
you don't have more stick and I put my and I put my and I put my slime to the stick sticking.
You put the what? You lick the sticker and put in my forehead? Did you? Oh, you cheeky girl! My God, there's a saliva in here. That's so yucky.
Wait. I do like this.
No. Don't put it in mine. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that, guys. She put the sticker here.